This little vowel sits on top of a consonant, and it is the shorter version of the ah vowel. It looked a little bit like a puppy upside down wanting his tummy rubbed. So it's the ah vowel, and you really have to open your mouth very wide to make the right sound. In English, we tend to be a bit lazy and we say for something like pizza. Well, in fact, you should open your mouth wide and say ah. Say it like the Italians. It's a short ah, as in pizza. If you come from the north of England, you'll probably find this difficult to say. So keep in mind, when you make this sound, open your mouth very wide. Ah. Pause the video and go through these words by yourself first. In the bottom section, you'll come across a few tone marks. Just ignore these for now. Right, these words are very straightforward, so we can go through them quite quickly. First one is the ladyboy pushing with the ah vowel on top, followed by the 96 nail boots, and that is pan, which means the number 1000. Here we have the rolling ladyboy with the ah vowel followed by the U-boat, so the word is rap. It has a skeptical tone, and that means to receive or accept something. Same thing, we have the rolling ladyboy with the ah followed by the chicken, and together that makes rak, also with a skeptical tone, and that means to love. Over here we have the tantric turtle with the ah followed by the U-boat, and that's tap, also with a skeptical tone, and that means the slash or the oblique sign. You'll mostly hear this when people are referring to a street, as in soi nung tap sam. And this word is the chicken with the ah vowel followed by the U-boat, and that's a sad tone, gup, and that means with, or very often is used in the sense of and. To go out with your friends, pai tio gap puan, or something like fish and chips, pla gap french fries. More of the same, we have the meditating ladyboy with the ah vowel and the nail boots, man. It has no tone, and it means something that is fatty or oily. It also means it. Here's a ladyboy F with the ah vowel and the nail boots. It has no tone and is pronounced fun, and that means a tooth. It can also be used in a fairly vulgar way to mean to fuck, usually in the expression tit fun, which kind of implies that you're banging your teeth together. The next word has the chicken fused together with the rolling ladyboy, kr, with the ah vowel followed by the meditating ladyboy. Together the word is gram, which comes from the English gram. Here's a word you should know by now. It's the ladyboy carrying the cactus, combined together with the rolling ladyboy, kr, followed by the ah and the U-boat, making krap. It has a skeptical tone, and it's a polite way of ending a sentence. Kop kun krap, sabadi mai krap. It's only used by a man. The next word has the same pattern, but instead of a rolling ladyboy, it's a squirrel. So together that's clap, and that comes from the English club. The last few words are quite straightforward also. Don't be confused by the tone marks. First one is the spy balloon, followed by the squirrel, bl, and the puppy, followed by the chicken. Together makes plug with a skeptical tone, and that comes from the English plug. This refers to an electrical plug. The next word is the spy balloon with the puppy, followed by the meditating ladyboy, and it ends with a silent p, and this again comes from the English word pump, and is pronounced pum, also with a skeptical tone. This is usually used to refer to a petrol or gas station, as in pam naman, which literally means oil pump. This word starts with one of the S's and the puppy on top, ending with the ladyboy diving, and the dagger makes it a sad sound, sang, and that means to order something. Usually you order something in the restaurant, sang. Here you have the tantric tortoise with the puppy on top, also ending in the diving ladyboy, and the different tone mark makes it a skeptical tone, tang, and that means all of something, as in tang mot, the total. Did you get this last one over here? Remember, you have the silent placeholder with the puppy on the top, which simply makes the ah sound, ending in the nail boots. So together it makes the word an, and this means a small object. It's a kind of counting word or classifier. In Thai, when you count or refer to items, you usually have to use the counting word. We have this in English like a loaf of bread or a bottle of beer. So for instance, if you have a pen, you would say paka, which is a pen, and then how many of them? Paka nung an, paka song an. I have one item of pen, or I have two items of pen. And that's the end of this lesson.